So Nomad announced and released the Stratos band just the other week, and we finally got it in-house. This might be their best looking band yet. For those of you that follow the channel, you know we're not sponsored by Nomad. I buy all these with my own money, and I have a ton around the house. However, I don't have one of their metal ones. This is coming at a premium cost, a little under 200 bucks, but wow, if this build is anything like it appears to be and what I've seen in promo imaging, this could be it. So I'll throw those affiliate links up down below. I greatly appreciate if you use it. It helps out the channel tremendously. This is the black titanium with that orange inner lining. Does work for 45, 46, and 49 millimeter Apple Watches, so good assortment there, but keep in mind it is just for the larger face Apple Watches. You can see it has FKM interior links, which is where you're getting that color from, and then you're gonna have all of the other titanium hardware on the outside. So without further ado, let's take the first look at this. Oh yes, okay. Guys, take a look at this. Okay, oh yeah, I am a huge fan. Look at the flexibility. All right, I definitely like it. So again, I have not actually used one of their metal bands before yet. It looks like it comes with a couple of different pieces here, half size adjustment links, and we're going to have other accessories and spare parts, and what looks to be like the tool for adjusting the band, which is a very solid piece of metal here too. And we're gonna be able to pop out the links that we don't need so it fits our wrist. So what I'm gonna do is actually go ahead and get this done right now, and then we'll take a look at the clasp and some other aspects. So actually one link was all I needed, and you can see exactly how nice this looks. Definitely a big fan. So like I was saying too, the clasp actually is magnetic. So you just simply press the side buttons right there and they come right off, and whenever you want to reattach it, just simply go right over it and you're going to be back in place. Just give it a little push and you're good. So again, this is what the black titanium looks like, and I have to say again, huge fan here. I think it looks awesome. So just a quick short video to show you what it looks like on the black titanium Apple Watch. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Again, for my wrist, I don't think I have any large size wrist by any means. I only needed to remove one link, and yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So again, just gonna set it right on and literally line it up on the back here, as you can see. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Is this gonna be your next band? Do you like the look? Obviously they have that natural titanium or the black titanium for the black Ultra Watch 3. I really do like the black on black look. So comment down below. Are you picking one of these up? Make sure you use those affiliate links up down below for this baby. I greatly appreciate it, like I said earlier, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.